how to buy a theme on Shopify. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy a theme on Shopify. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. And you'll land on your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your main control center. Next, from the left-hand menu, click on Online Store. Under this section, you'll see an option called Visit Theme Store. Click on it to explore Shopify's wide range of professional themes. Take your time browsing through themes. You can filter them by industry, style, or features. When you find one you like, click on it to view more details, including previews and customer reviews. Before buying, I highly recommend clicking Try Theme to preview how it looks on your actual store. It's a great way to make sure it fits your branding and layout needs before spending anything. If you're happy with the look, go back to the themes page and click Buy. You'll then be asked to confirm the purchase, click Approve to complete the transaction. And that's it. That's all for the video.